Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize two-factor authentication on Fidelity step by step clearly. To authorize two-factor authentication on Fidelity, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Fidelity Investments website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the Security or Two-Factor Authentication option. Click on it to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method of receiving authentication codes. Options often include text messages, phone calls, or an authentication app. Select the method that suits you best and click Continue. If you choose text messages or phone calls, enter your mobile number now. For authentication apps, download an app like Google Authenticator or Authy if you haven't already. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your authentication app to your Fidelity account. This usually involves scanning a QR code displayed on your screen. After setting up your method, Fidelity will send a test code to verify it. Check your phone or app for the test code. Enter the code in the provided field on the Fidelity website. Click Verify to confirm your two-factor authentication setup. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to keep your authentication method secure. Now, each time you log in, you will need to enter a code, adding an extra layer of security. That's how you can authorize two-factor authentication on Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.